Today we're going to cover the wedi steam shower kit. Within the kit we have various components, including the new Vapor 85 building board. This is specially designed to be 100% watertight, as well as adding additional protection in high humidity areas such as steam showers. Also included in the kit is the wedi Fundo Rialito Neo shower tray element. The Fundo drain elements are also included for installation. The wedi 320 universal tile adhesive is used to bond the tray to the floor. Various components are included in the kit, such as the wedi tools fixings, the adhesive and sealant materials, wedi tapes and sealing gaiters. A wedi niche and wedi Senosa bench is also included, and 2 downlights. To start off, we're going to mechanically fix the Vapor 85 building boards to the timber substrate with stainless steel screws and washers. This should be done at a minimum fixing ratio of 5 per meter squared. The wedi Vapor 85 board needs to be routed out for the flush installation of the wedi tools fixing plates and the wedi niche. These are both glued in with the wedi 610 adhesive sealant material. Holes need to be cut for any plumbing work in the shower. Routing needs to be done for the heat-resistant plate for the steam outlet. Fixing plates can also be incorporated for the shower head. These can hold 80 kilograms. For around the eye box here we have the sealing gaiter. This is simply stretched over the eye box, like so, and sealed on with our wedi 620 sealant material. Once the Fundo drain's plumbed up in position, fully supported by the drain substructure element, you're going to apply your 320 tile adhesive onto the back of the shower tray element. The wedi steam room ceiling should always be sloped. Holes should be cut for the downlights. These are sealed with the wedi sealing gaiters and wedi 620 sealant. As you can see, all joints, fixings and the wedi niche need sealing with the wedi 620 sealant and wedi waterproof sealing tape. We're just going to do the last step of the process here with one joint, a fixing plate and the last fixing. The wedi sealing gaiters are used to seal the downlights with wedi 620 sealants. We're now going to install the wedi Senosa Bench 3. As all the vapor proofing has been done behind, we're simply going to glue this together with the wedi 610 adhesive. The stone grey top-line ceiling panel is also included in the kit. This is glued onto the ceiling with the wedi 610 adhesive sealant, as shown below. The ceiling lights are fitted in through the ceiling gaiters, already sealed in position with the wedi 620 sealant. Here we have the wedi edge strip. This is for use as a level entrance into the room for the glass door. Two pieces are going to be glued together with the wedi 610 adhesive sealant and into position. The vapor barrier has already been applied internally. Once this is glued in with the wedi 610 adhesive, we can then tile. Now the glass door is fitted, that concludes the wedi steam shower kit. 10-year guarantee, 100% watertight solution with the much needed vapor barrier included. All that's needed now is the tiles or chosen wedi top line finish.